We are going to start with class 8, chapter number 12, and the name of the topic is quadrilaterals. Now, what actually quadrilaterals are? Please pay attention. Quadri means four and laterals means sides. We are pretty clear with this concept that quadrilaterals का मतलब ही ये होता है quadri means four and lateral means side. ठीक है? Come down to page number 263 where it is said that a definition is given. A quadrilateral is a closed four-sided plane figure. ठीक है? And there, let me draw a quadrilateral is like this. इसके अंदर फोर एंगल्स होते हैं. See, this is one angle, two, three, and four. These are the four angles of a quadrilateral. Here it is given name A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. This is side AD, CD, CB, and AB. Here we have the diagonals. This is called the diagonals. This is also called the diagonals, which opposite points are connected. These are called the diagonals. So we have four sides, four angles, two diagonals, and four vertices. In short, there are four sides, four angles, two diagonals, and four vertices. I hope this is pretty clear to everyone. This is the basic meaning of a quadrilateral. Now there are various kinds of quadrilateral. Let us study the various kinds of quadrilateral which are given in your syllabus. The first one is trapezium. Put the heading of trapezium. Number one, trapezium. Number one is trapezium. Trapezium is somewhat like this. There are two parallel lines. One is the shorter, one is the bigger. ठीक है, लेकिन दो साइड जो होती है वो पैरेलल होती है. लेट अस नेम इट एज ए बी सी डी. These lines are parallel to each other. Here we can say that in this figure we have AD. Pay attention. This is AD. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. This is the sign of the parallel. This is the sign of the parallel. Now, quadrilateral whose one and only one side, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel is known as a trapezium. The definition is given, so we can say that A, B, C, D is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. उसके बाद कंडीशन है in which AD is parallel to BC. ठीक है? AD is parallel to BC. Please write it down. This is the topic of the trapezium. Next, we are going to see is the topic of, that is on page number 264. You can turn your pages. The topic of parallelogram. Put the heading in your fair books. Parallelogram. ठीक है, पैरेललोग्राम। पैरेललोग्राम में क्या होता है, देयर आर डिफरेंट शेप्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, whenever we draw a figure, the opposite sides are always parallel and equal. See, this is like this. इसका मीनिंग होता है पैरेलल टू ईच अदर। ठीक है, एरो का मतलब होता है दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर। फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई ड्रॉ अ rhombus, this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. They are parallel and equal. For example, we can also draw a square. You know what is a square, right? This side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. So this arrow is the symbol for parallel lines. You know what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. So such type of parallel lines are there in the parallelogram on the opposite sides, okay, and are equal in sides. For example, you can see this type of figure also. So these type of diagrams are the parallelograms. We can name them like A, B, C, D, B, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D। अच्छा, यहाँ पे रख देंगे X, Y, Z, W। ठीक है, W, X, Y, Z। यू कैन नेम एनी ऑफ द फिगर्स इन द वे यू वांट। यहाँ पे एक ही चीज होती है, मैं आपको बता दूं, that here we can say that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम लोग बता दें PQ is parallel to RS and PS is parallel to QR। यहाँ पे जो है वो इसके जैसा ही आएगा। यहाँ पे XY is parallel to ZW and WX is parallel to YZ। I hope it is pretty clear to everyone. Please write it down. This is known as a parallelogram. I give you a moment. Please write it down. Now we have the third topic in the parallelogram, and that is called rhombus. Please give the heading of a rhombus. Okay. Rhombus is in the form of a square which is slant in shape. Please pay attention. ठीक है, let us name this rhombus is equal to A, B, C, D। This is equal to this and this side is equal to this and they are equal and opposite। यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, all sides are equal। यहाँ पे देखो all sides are equal। ठीक है, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD। ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखो opposite sides are parallel to each other। What you will write? Opposite sides are opposite sides are parallel to each other। यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे ए बी is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to BC. This is called the rhombus. This is called the rhombus. Please write it down. I give you a moment. I want everyone to write it down. Okay. The next topic that we are going to study is a rectangle, which is taught to you in the kindergarten, first and second. The shape rectangle, square, triangle are based, but we will study rectangle in the form of parallelogram. Okay. Question, the topic number 4. Put the heading rectangle. Rectangle is not slant. It is a figure which has got 90 degree. Okay. Here we will study in the format of parallelogram. Here we have 90 degree. It is A, B, C, D. Okay. Here the first topic that first point that we are going to write is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, which is equal to 90 degree. Please write in one line only. Don't write in two lines. I don't have space over here. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. इसका मतलब ये हुआ that all the angles are equal. ठीक है? And they are equal to 90 degree. The second point we'll write the same thing. Please write with me. All angles are equal to 90 degree. और ब्रैकेट में लिख दो राइट एंगल. क्या लिख दोगे? राइट एंगल. क्लियर? नाउ इसमें आपको लिखना है AB parallel to BC and AB equal to BC. ठीक है? एक और चीज लिखनी है आपको. प्लीज राइट along with me. AB parallel to CD and AB equal to CD. And the last point you are going to write opposite sides are equal and parallel. Please write it down. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. I give you a moment. Please write it down. The next thing that we are going to write is and learn is about square. Put the heading of the square and then draw a square. Okay. Put down the name A, B, C, E. इसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखेंगे. These are the properties of the इसमें हम लोग प्रॉपर्टीज लिखेंगे that all sides, all sides are equal. Okay, all, sorry, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, which is equal to 90 degree. इसका मतलब ये हुआ all angles are equal to 90 degree. All angles are equal to 90 degree. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. All angles are equal to 90 degree. Okay. One more thing we are going to see is AB is parallel to CB and AB is equal to CD. AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. The last point, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Please write it down. Last but not the least topic we are going to study is about a kite. You know what is a kite? In Makar Sankranti that you fly, not that kite, but the shape of the kite. That is the sixth one. Put down the heading kite. It is somewhat like this. देखो. Okay. See, draw the diagonals over here. यहाँ पे नाम लिख दे ABCD. इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज हम लोग देखेंगे. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Second thing that we are going to write is AD is equal to CB. यहाँ पे opposite sides are not equal. देखो, AD is not equal to BC. ठीक है, AD is not equal to BC. Please write it down. Opposite sides are not equal. AB is not equal to CD and AD is not equal to BC. This is the formation of a kite. Please write it down. I give you a moment. Now we come down to properties of a parallelogram. Put down the heading. Properties of a parallelogram. Property number one. Please pay attention. Property number one. You have to write down all the properties turn by turn. The first property, opposite sides are equal. Property number two, opposite angles are equal. Property number three, diagonals bisect each other. Property number four, the sum of any two adjacent means side by side, okay? Adjacent का मतलब होता है side by side. Sum of any two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. These are the four properties. Please write it down. Please write it down, everyone. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के बेसिस पे आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. Property number 4 के बेसिस पे you will be asked few questions. Let us come down to page number 265, example number 1, which is given at the below. Please pay attention, example number 1. It tries to say that two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 6 and 4. Find its perimeter. आपको पता है opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. ध्यान रखें. Please write it down. Page number 265, example 1. आपको दिया गया है एक पैरेललोग्राम है. जस्ट पे अटेंशन. पैरेललोग्राम ए बी सी डी. In the question it says that in the parallelogram this is 4 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. I hope this diagram is pretty clear. On page number 265 we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. All four sides you have to add. Now we are given only two sides. अगर ये 4 है तो opposite sides are equal, तो ये भी 4 हो जाएगा. अगर ये 6 है ये भी 6 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. So now perimeter is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 20 centimeter. This will be your answer. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. Please write it down. Come down to page number 266. Page 266, example number 2. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 में क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है? द रेशियो ऑफ द टू साइड्स ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इज इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:5. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ द पैरेललोग्राम. यहाँ पे अगर 3:5 है, ठीक है, एक चीज याद रखें, 3:5 का मतलब क्या होता है? यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3x और ये हो जाएगा 5x. ये हो जाएगा 3x और ये हो जाएगा 5x. रेशियो वाले क्वेश्चन इस तरह सॉल्व करते हैं. 3:5 मतलब यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3x और ये हो जाएगा 5x. इसमें बोला गया है एंड पेरीमीटर 96, पेरीमीटर 96 सेंटीमीटर. पेरीमीटर का मतलब क्या होता है? यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल द साइड्स. So perimeter is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 3x plus 5x. एक दो तीन चार, एक दो तीन चार. ओके, सो पेरीमीटर हमको दिया है 96 इज इक्वल टू 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16x. Everyone has to use only the chat box to put the answers. x is equal to x is equal to 96 upon 16. X is equal to 96 upon 16. Please write it down. Put the answers in the chat box. X की वैल्यू क्या होगी? सेंटीमीटर. X की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Put in the chat box. Very good. The answer will be 6 centimeter. Very good, everyone. X is equal to 6 centimeter. यहाँ पे तो 3x है, तो 3 6 are 18. तो ये हो जाएगा 18 सेंटीमीटर और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5 इंटू एक्स, तो 5 6 are 30 सेंटीमीटर और दूसरा हो जाएगा 30 सेंटीमीटर. दिस विल बी योर आंसर, 18 and 30. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. Please write it down. Page number 269, question number 4 is same. Have a look. Page number, I'll write it here. Page 269, question number 4. Page 269, question number 4 is the same.